Nandito na ata sila sa ano eh. Pangalawa, baka nandito pa lang sila sa third stage. Bago may dumating na taong makikialam. Wow, sakit ng puso. Tapos, happy home. Tapos, death. Pero, tumagal ano? Ang habang process. Kung paghihirapan nila, death. This card signifies the end of the matter, completion. Pero, magra-rise naman sila again. In a new and better form. Parang phoenix. Start, pero wala rin. Parang wala rin. Pero meron naman, kasi magre-reverse sila eh. Change. Psychological change lang. Physical circumstances lang. Hindi, yung total na pagkatao, hindi. New friends, different living conditions, or a job change. Titigok tapos mabubuhay uli. Parang ganun lang naman. A change in one's status for the better. Has a strong belief, oh my God. Yung daw standing figure na yan ay magbabagsak. Has a strong belief system, spiritual ideals, and so does not fear death. 10. Wow, ganda. Okay. The picture is almost self-explanatory, indicating contentment and great happiness. Ito guys, hindi ko na kailangan basahin. Ang ganda niyan, 10 of Cups. Okay, kaya lang mukhang matagal pa ang bagsakan, no? Umabot. Family kasi yan, eh. Perfection of family. Family gathering, reunion, or party with children, women, indicted, and forthcoming deal. Ito, self-explanatory na to. 3 of Swords. So, tingnan. Alright, ang sakit. Tsaka sa puso. Sakit. Ang sakit naman sana kung nakatayo. Pero since bumaligtad, nabawasan ng sakit. At ang i-share sa inyo, wala rin naman eh. Nothing na hindi nyo alam. Ang bago lang dito ay mayroong darating na isa na mangingialam o tutulong. Yung nagsasagutan sila, alam nyo na yon. Yung mga laban, yung kinalaban niya yung sarili niya. Tapos yung nag-double time. Tapos, itong 3 of Swords. However, this card can simply mean a delay, separation, or postponement in terms of time and space. Magkakasira. Merong magkakagalit sa decision, hindi after nyan. Sa loob yung masasakyan, okay?